think that man was gonna stop him. And why he thought, I'm talking, y'all, the jacket was big on top of it might have been a 40-inch TV.
Yeah.
Regardless of what it is, it was a little bitty jacket. And he had
a buggy. In the buggy, just laying down.
Y'all know what he did? He was looking for that receipt. He just walked off.
I mean, he was flying, he was switching away. He was like, he was gone. I'm talking about that man.
It was floating. But I was just watching and walking real slow to the door, like, I know what's happening. I said, babe, he trying to.
Oh, he's stealing cheese. He's stealing cheese.
Oh, he stealing.
We said, oh man, we wish we had the camera. That would have been the perfect time.
And every time we see that Walmart employee,
whoever you was that night at Walmart, you wrong.
Every time we see that employee, we laugh because every time we see it,
because he saw, we witnessed the whole thing. He was like,
y'all see that? We was like, yeah, we wonder what he doing when he come in.
A couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's in the lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm trying to say.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb.
And I'm Jazz.
And today we are coming to you with a
mukbang.
Yes. We are going to have some, at the request of X Demented, we are going to have some pulled pork. Homemade pulled pork.
And barbecue sauce.
From scratch, ground up.
Watch that cooking video.
That came out for this.
Well, or either after.
Whichever. Probably gonna be before though. And this coleslaw, homemade from scratch too.
Yeah.
The dessert ain't ready. We got some tea.
That Publix tea, y'all know.
And I'm gonna make some pickles. When desperate times call for desperate measures, I refuse to go back to the store. Y'all,
it is Sunday. It is after 6 o'clock, so the stores are closed and we forgot buns. So what's wrong with a good old pulled pork sandwich on some bread? It's just bread.
Same as a bun.
If you are new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a video.
Yes, we'd appreciate it if you come back and watch us so you can talk to us, so we can get to know you just as much as you're getting to know us.
How much you want on that bread?
Yep, that.
You better slap it in. Oops.
I don't want to talk about lemon. But no. Yeah. Okay.
Tell you, babe, what we gonna talk about today?
I don't know.
I tell you.
Okay, thank you, because I don't know. I'm lost, guys. I'm sorry.
You could put some coleslaw. I think I'm gonna need a fork. Y'all know how we doing all that slopping. But okay, so who remembers when the sign, or this sign used to be I love you instead of gang gang? Used to be good old fashioned I love you. So you know how you guys, we are Fritz Family Entertainment. Fam, y'all are fam, F-A-M. You know, that's why we always capitalize fam. Y'all are fam. So the I-L-Y of the family, from now on, this is how we're gonna be telling you guys. We're bringing back the I love you instead of gang gang. This way, whatever you want. It's I love you, because we love y'all.
Yes, we really do.
And we appreciate y'all watching our videos, sharing our videos.
Because every time you come back, it motivates us
to do another video.
And the more videos we do, the more fun we all have. So we really do appreciate you guys, because it's a Win-win situation.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done with this. We can.
Hold on, y'all. I really need a fork.
Mm-hmm.
Big hit sandwich with a thumbnail, y'all. Okay, but anyway, basically, all we're really trying to say is we're just trying to bring back positivity and love. That's what we want to share. Ooh, it's hot.
That's our brand.
Like I said, that's what this channel and we are about. Spreading love and positivity. I can never. Look! Oh my goodness. How did that even get all the way up here? Who taught me how to eat? Did you teach yourself? I need some extra help.
Gotta go back to school.
You learn how to eat?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of school they teach you there?
Elementary, my dear Watson.
What elementary school? Let's do that eat. I don't think they teachers had time for all that.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what kind of teacher you had.
But that's what I put a lot of meat on this sandwich. You still got food coloring on your face.
It'll probably be going day after tomorrow.
What, the food coloring?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this pork is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Go us. Well, go back.
With the homemade coleslaw.
And this is actually my first time having homemade coleslaw. Some stuff I just don't like to eat like at home. It tastes different from restaurants. And coleslaw is one of those things. But this is pretty good. It's purple. But it's good.
I was gonna say yes. Ours does taste different. But that's because you can taste the seasoning. It's flavor.
Yeah. I would do it again with more green cabbage. Cause it's too good. I'm just gonna
But back on subject.
scoop this like this.
Mm-hmm.
So who's been posting a positivity comment?
Anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Comment down below.
And let us know.
If you're new and you don't know what the positive comment is, it'll be pinned at the bottom, but it's also in our description. We post it
On videos we
to
watch.
every video, and every video we watch, and every photo on Instagram or Facebook that we like.
Man.
What is good?
Don't let nobody tell you nothing else. That coleslaw is slap though.
Oh gosh. Y'all. I mean not y'all. The subscriber. who
Thank you,
suggested that.
Instrumented.
Thank you. Cause I don't think we have course here in a long time.
About 2 years.
Maybe like that was last summer. Around this time. So about a year. Oh, but you need another piece of bread.
Slop it up. Yeah, cause I can know exactly what I'm gonna do with that.
You just need another piece of bread. on top of that bread.
Yeah, watch I do today. Make you want to dance.
Okay, so Brian, if you watching this, unless you're new, if you're new, go watch it. But y'all should have seen that Bean Boozle challenge. Yeah, let us check the backstory. Our kids think that you're supposed to eat a snack every 5 minutes. They want a snack before breakfast. Then they want a snack. Then they want another snack, lunch, then another snack. Then they want another snack, dinner, another snack, time to go to bed, another snack. So we said, okay, we got some snacks.
And sure enough, when we got them,
if y'all watch that video,
we said
y'all gonna be weak.
These are for us to do a challenge. Oh, we want to do the challenge. Can we do the challenge? Okay, sure.
You can do the challenge.
So that is how the children are doing the Bean Boozle challenge arose.
They were pissed in that video.
Man.
Like, I don't ever want to eat another jelly bean again. I don't ever want to eat another jelly bean again.
Man, bro. They're dead fish.
I don't trust them. But they still.
And what a way to go out.
We're gonna see how many snacks they ask for now.
I said, what a way to go out. All of us eating dead fish.
Man, all of us ate that dead fish. Juju was sneaking throwing his in the cup by the end of the game. We saying 1, 2, 3. He's like 1, 2, 3. Pew.
Man.
Looking at us like, ha ha, y'all ate, not me.
Babe wasn't catching it. It was ugly.
I was on the end.
I'm trying to tell her what's going on. Babe. I said, I'm looking at him. Babe. Okay.
Cause he was still chewing. He must have was fake chewing. I swear I saw those lips moving.
Juju got you.
He did. Y'all, this might be a short mukbang.
Right. We flying to these.
I'm full.
Oh.
I think I drank too much tea. It's okay if it's short. We need to tell them that.
The beverages is where they get you at.
Man, I be thirsty. Look.
And I be hungry.
I be hungry too, but I can eat food without anything to drink. Comment down below if you like that. I cannot eat food, or I can only eat so many bites before I need to drink something because my mouth just feels so dry. It feels like I'm just chewing up food and I'm just not gonna be able to swallow it because I need some drink. Oh, excuse me. Bad made homemade pickles. Out of a whole big pickle. Give me the pickle.
I thought I was not going to the store.
The store closed. Except Wal-Mart.
Walmart.
Ain't nobody going to Walmart.
I wasn't going to the store.
Ain't nobody going to Walmart.
They might have it down. They might be waxing the floors again.
Y'all, I have Walmart.
Crazy.
Well, we can't say they crazy. We crazy. Y'all know we nightlife junkies. It's midnight now. We like to go to Wal-Mart at 1 or 2 in the morning when ain't nobody in there and they waxing the floor. But we get mad every time because they have it blocked off. I'm talking about you have to walk around the whole perimeter of the Walmart to get to the middle. To get to the middle. Well, one time we got in there and we got all the way to the back. I think I had to use the bathroom. Alright, let's forget it. And when they had it blocked off, they only had one register open.
Recipe for disaster.
It'd be more people in Walmart at 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning than you think. But there was one little line. Oh my goodness. Quick story time. Bruh. When we, I don't know, saw that man rob Walmart.
Okay.
We almost witnessed a robbery, y'all. It wasn't a robbery. It was just a snatch.
You want to move on to that story time? Okay.
I'm gonna eat my food. Everything back in my finish. I'm full. Sorry, I'm looking like this. I'm cold. Whew. Okay, there you go. I haven't seen it.
So, guys, we're strolling in Walmart.
Believed.
Per the usual. After walking in, we already see this strange looking guy. It is dead hot.
We're walking out. We're walking out and he's coming in. But he has this thin jacket like flung across his shoulder. He has a buggy. He walks really fast. Go to the back. Now, mind you, we just said they only have one register open. One line.
In the entire store.
So by the time we're walking out the store, he pretty much comes from the back and with a buggy.
With the same jacket
with the box
that he had flung over his shoulder.
And the jacket that he had on top of the box. We're pretty much walking like he's coming this way, we're coming this way, and there's a Walmart man standing here pretty much in the middle. We both have to say bye-bye and to walk out the door. Y'all, we wish we had the camera.
You said that when we don't have a camera.
I just knew you ever can look at somebody and not be in that conversation but still know like what's going on. The man stopped him. He was like, I can't say he was like, cause I can't hear him, but he was like, where your receipt? Where your receipt? So the guy just like, pat down, looking for the receipt. Now remember we telling y'all, we walking out. So we just came out of the line.
The only line.
Where did he come
for 15 minutes.
He came straight from the back, y'all. Did he really think that man was gonna stop him? And why he thought, I'm talking, y'all, the jacket was big on top of it might have been a 40-inch TV.
Yeah.
Regardless of what it is, it was a little bitty jacket. And he had
a buggy. In the buggy, just laying down.
Y'all know what he did? He was looking for that receipt. He just walked off.
I mean, he was flying, he was switching away. He was like, he was gone. I'm talking about that man.
It was floating. But I was just watching and walking real slow to the door, like, I know what's happening. I said, babe, he trying to
Oh, he's stealing cheese. He's stealing cheese.
Oh, he's stealing.
We said, oh man, we wish we had the camera. That would have been the perfect time.
And every time we see that Walmart employee,
whoever you was that night at Walmart, you wrong.
Every time we see that employee, we laugh because every time he see us,
because he thought we witnessed the whole thing. He was like, y'all see that?
We was like, yeah, we wonder what he doing when he come in.
Y'all, watch my finger. That's how fast he was walking when he came in and trying to leave.
He was gone.
Like you look suspicious. Y'all know how he go.
He was flying.
He better be glad that man let him get away. Well, I mean, he ain't let him get out the door with the TV, so could he have called the police for him trying to steal it?
They wouldn't have made that car, so it would have been a bump mission anyway.
But they can't just hold him there.
Right. Because he would have to go, hey sir. That's against Wal-Mart policies.
Oh my God.
He get fired for that.
We done seen some crazy stuff now.
Yes, we have.
Yeah, you'll believe. That's why we started YouTube.
All these experiences.
Because we be seeing crazy stuff and we be trying to catch it. And document it. So people stop believing us.
We can't make this stuff up.
Next time we
sit in the employee,
we gonna ask them to tell y'all.
Tell y'all so y'all can hear it from the horse's mouth.
Cause this was nothing but like maybe January.
Right. When we first started YouTube, before we started carrying the camera around everywhere.
Well
guys.
The food come.
Per usual, we don't have any more food. So the time has come that we regret.
I guess we'll let y'all go until next video.
We're gonna see them soon. If you're new here, and especially if you made this far, don't forget subscribe, like, comment, so we can engage with you guys in the comment section down below.
Yeah.
And share. Sharing is caring. If no one ever told you that, sharing is caring. And whoever you share with, tell them, pass it forward. And if you haven't been doing anything with positivity comment, copy it, paste it on some video, somebody's picture you anywhere, to just start a, let's start a ripple effect. Because they say a butterfly flapping its wings in America can cause a tsunami in Japan. Let's cause some tsunami somewhere with positivity waves, okay?
Amen to that.
So, until we see you again, peace.